Hi, my name is Chris, and today I will be sharing how I make quick and delicious Yorkshire puddings that everyone can make. Starting in a large bowl, we are going to add 150 grams of all-purpose flour. Now that we have our flour, add in 5 grams of salt, make sure to give a quick whisk of the flour and salt just to combine evenly. In a separate bowl, crack 200 grams whole eggs. This is about 4 large eggs. Add 50 grams of water. Add 150 grams 2% milk. Whisk together until the eggs are fully incorporated into the milk and water mixture. Now bring out the dry ingredients, and we're going to mix the wet ingredients into the dry. Whisk together the wet and dry ingredients until you have a smooth batter. Make sure to break down all lumps that may be in the batter. Place the batter in the fridge and let rest for minimum 20 minutes. The longer that you let this rest, the higher the Yorkshire puddings will be. Today I'll be using bacon fat as my source of fat for cooking. You can also use canola oil. Add 2 teaspoons bacon fat to the muffin tray. Heat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit and add your tray, preheating for 10 to 15 minutes until the oil smokes. Now that my batter has rested for 30 minutes, I'm going to remove it from the fridge and give it a quick stir with a spoon to ensure any flour that is stuck to the bottom is now mixed in. Now that the fat is up to temperature and smoking, I'm going to remove it from the oven and place it on a wire rack. Pour batter into the hot fat until 1/3 full. Now that I have the tray filled, it's back to the oven for 20 to 25 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit. If you're worried about the Yorkshire puddings burning, you can always turn the oven down to 400 degrees and cook it a little bit longer. Make sure the Yorkshire puddings are golden brown before removing them from the oven. These could use about another 5 minutes. Now that Yorkshire puddings are done, take them out and put them on a wire rack and check to see if they're fully cooked on the inside by breaking one open. These are a great addition to any stew or Sunday roast that you might be having, or even if you want to make a sandwich out of them, they make great roast beef sandwiches. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and let me know. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.